Gikundi kia uregani kia biraro cia Rapid Support Forces RFS nigithiete na mbere gutabania tharikira bururi-ini wa Sudan ikiuga nikirikitie kwigwatira mucii wa El Shafa, Sudan ya irathiro. Gikundi giki na kiria gikoretwo gikihurana na biraro cia bururi wa Sudan niguo kwigwatira utongoria wa bururi uyu riu gikirikana gukorwo kiuragite makiria ma andu 1,500.
So yesterday we received horrific news from the colleagues of the Sudanese Red Crescent. 5 volunteers were killed and 3 got missing, and actually the good news today is that one of the 3 was found, so now only 2 are missing.
Kanjo ya urumo wa mabururi ni kumithitie giko giki kiuga uku ni kwagarara ihoto cia o mundu kuona andu aingi ni mathiete na mbere kunyarirwo bururi-ini uyu, atumia na ciana makinyamarika makiria.
Despite commitments to protect civilians, the reality is that no one is safe in El Fasher. There is no safe passage for civilians to leave the city. There are also reports of large-scale atrocities perpetrated by the Rapid Support Forces in Bara, in North Kordofan.
Kanjo ino ikiuria aria othe mari na hinya wa kungethanira na bara ino kuingirira niguo kuhorohia na kuhonokia mioyo ya muingi bururi-ini ucio.
Immediate and robust action to stop the atrocities against civilians. Stop arming this violence. Insist that stopping this conflict is more important than any narrow political or commercial interest.
The United Nations will continue to call for all those with influence to act now to prevent further violations and atrocities.
Bara ino ikoretwo igithie na mbere kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 riu, biraro ici cia RFS ikigeria kuhotomia utongoria wa biraro cia Sudan. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua Waboshi.